Personal protection, 2. In a company, many things are designed to protect equipment and property. There is a fence around the plant and locks on the doors. There is firefighting equipment and guards. In the offices, there is a safe to protect money and documents. But there are also many things designed to protect the worker. For example, take a pair of glasses or a wallet. They won't stop a thief, prevent a fire, or stop machinery from breaking. This facial protection is designed for one purpose only: to prevent material from splashing onto the worker's face, causing injuries that could even lead to blindness. They are designed to protect workers. But no one can protect them if they don't want to protect themselves. Personal protection is not automatic. The user must be aware of the value of protecting not just their eyes but other parts of the body, and use the provided equipment for this purpose. A helmet will protect the head, and safety shoes will protect the feet. But only if they are worn. When workers are asked to wear personal protective equipment, they are not doing a favor to the company. They are doing a favor to themselves. Workers may say the company benefits too, and that's true. But what the company is trying to do is what's best for everyone, putting the workers' well-being first. The efforts of any company will be wasted if workers don't contribute to preventing accidents that could blind, paralyze, or even kill them. Management is always willing to help in many ways. Experience has taught them the type of personal equipment needed for various tasks. They will pass that experience to the workers, who must learn to use it properly. Management can't use personal protective equipment for the workers. They can't stand next to each worker every moment saying, "Wear it." Sometimes, it may seem silly to take the time to put on protective gear when the task will only last a few seconds. For example, grinding work may seem too short to wear glasses. But think about it for a moment. How long does it take for a tiny metal piece or grinding dust to jump into your eye? It takes just a fraction of a second. It can happen in a task that lasts 10 seconds or all day. Not wearing protective glasses in all tasks that require them is as risky as a cashier leaving the safe open during lunch for just half an hour, thinking the chances of someone stealing the money are low. In reality, not wearing protective glasses is much riskier than leaving the safe open. The worst that could happen to the cashier is that they get fired. But they will still have their eyes to see. Whereas, if a worker doesn't wear protective glasses, what may be stolen is their vision. Therefore, it is impossible to use the required protective equipment and use it every time a task is performed. The safe door must be closed against accidents that can happen at any moment.